Hoy, Kyle, bahala ka diyan. Bahala ka diyan, Ken. Thank you, Kyle. Bahala ka diyan, bahala ka diyan, bahala ka diyan. You need a you need to boost your life. Yeah, I need to boost my life. Can you help me, guys? I don't know. Can you share my live, guys? Charis. Talagang tampo siya. Joke ako. Pai, where are you? Your utot excites my utot. Oh my God, it's so mabaho, guys. Ano daw? Anong mini-mini nila nun, Ken? Hindi ko kayo magets. Your utot excites my utak. Ano daw? Naiinis ako ha. Naiinis ako ha. Hindi ko kayo magets. Ala, bakit ganyan? Ano yan? Visit no yun. Gets mo ba, Ken? Hindi ko hindi ko magets. Ah, your utot is fake. What? Can you explain it to me, Spy? I don't understand. May napindot ako kay Kosi. Ano yun? Ano yun, Ken? Ano yun? I'm innocent. Me too, Spy. I'm too innocent for that. Wow. Yeah, I told ya, I'm so innocent. Tapos biglang may ganun. Ano yun? Gaga ka, kaya nakikisali-sali ka ha. Malapit ako magtampo. I don't know. Really, Spy, you don't know, but you still, comment. Hi, Malcolm. Thank you for following me. Spy. So cute. I'm just a kid. Yeah, I'm just a kid. Thank you for following Sniper. Thank you, David. Thank you for following Clark. Ah. Yan ha, nakakailan ka na sa akin. Tumigil ka sa ano mo dyan. Ano ba yan yung utot-utak na yan? Well, welcome. Welcome, Ken. Thank you for sending Bell, David. Thank you for following RR. Utot ka daw. Haha. Hi, Puti Code Watcher. Thank you for following me. Ano? What do you mean your utot excites my utak? Pang-utotan ko kayo dyan eh. Dami niya viewers. Oh, wala nga. Buang. Yan lang yan. Dami viewers. Wala naman gaano. Ga-gift. Pagka nga Ken, si Ken kasi ayaw ako tulungan. Hi, baby Cosmit. Hi, booty boy. Hi, Mimokan. Uy, bakit ano yung mini nila na your auto excites may utak? Guys. Ang cake ko kayo lahat. Tingnan nyo ba? Ipang cake ko kayo lahat. Naiinis ako sa inyo. Mag-cry ako dito. Hi, Kuwaiti. Hi, well. Sige ah. yan yung comment? Gago. Hindi naman ito na-hack, di ba? Thank you, David! Uy, guys, yung totoo, hindi naman na-hack yung account ko, di ba? Bakit puro ganyan? Guys, what happened? Ang tagal ko lang nawala na hindi nag-live. Bakit ganyan na yung mga comment niya? Paano ba? Mag-end live ba ako dito? Visit ka, Spy. Spy! Nakita ko na. Nakita ko na. Visit ka, Spy. Ito na yung winner. Si Koy, si ID number 9648638446. Si... Visit ka talaga, Spy. It's your fault, Spy. It's your fault. Thank you, Ken. It's your fault, Spy. I knew it. I have screenshot here. You're the one who make that comment na your otot is utak-utak keberot. Hindi ko alam. Nandito. Meron nga ditong 10 winners eh. Visit ka, Spy. I hate you. It's your fault. I knew it. I thought nahack yung account ko. Oh my God. I thought it's because of my account. You almost made me cry, ha? You almost make me cry. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. It's your fault. It's your fault, Spy. Hi, Trail TV. Hindi ko alam paano yun. Alam mo yung feeling na lahat nag, your utot